Yes! Finally got him. Finally got him. It's taken me years to try and get these shots. Look at it. 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 She's been a good girl. But the girls which have been good cat. A treat. Now obviously while we're here, we will be looking for the cuckoo along with the other things. There's something sat in that tree. Might be the buzzard, might be the barn owl. Well no, actually it won't be barn owl, it's wrong shape. There is a barn owl flying around here as well, and a few deer. We are going to go on the other side of the field because we want to be on the sun side, and then we got the sun facing our subject, hopefully. Get ourselves tucked in one of these bushes and look back and hope and wait for the cuckoo to show its pretty little face. There's plenty of bushes in here to tuck behind, so we're nice and hidden, and I'll get my camo kit properly on in a moment. Dora. We've got some footage of the cuckoo. However, as I was walking down here on the very far side, I seen a barn owl flying around. I didn't get any footage because it flew on the very far side between all these the bushes, but it went in. I think it's got into the firing range. Not a good plan, but we'll definitely keep an eye out for that. Cuckoo was up on that one, and I saw him yesterday on that one as well. So I'm wondering if we want to concentrate and sit on there. If that's his favourite little spot, that's perfect, that's fine. I can find a space to hide. But I want to have a look up there, because the cuckoo's just finished from there, so he might not be back for a little while anyway. Now that cuckoo has not gone too far. Now I'm wondering where I want to be. I got that one, which might be a little bit too far. And I got those two, which are going to be the wrong angle. That one in front, which is going to be, I think, too close. And you got a teeny one there. Now I might go for the teeny one. Do I? Yeah, I could go for the teeny one and sit there on the left side of it, and if he goes back onto that tree up there, then I'm in bargain. I'm going to put Dora and my equipment, my backpack basically, on the other side, so they're hidden away, and then if he does go on one of these, we won't have we'll have a shadow, but we'll have something. This might be quite nice. Still keeping an eye out for this barn owl. Just need the subjects now, and if he comes on, lands on that bush again, that tree again, I'm going to be so happy. I'm going to be ecstatic. So at the moment I've got it set to auto capture. The hope is that it may capture the bird as it comes in, so the cuckoo as it comes in, which might be a game changer. Because if I'm still too close here and he sees me and goes, then I can set the camera up for auto capture and just leave the camera running closer than this for it to capture it itself.
She was such a good girl. She was such a good girl. Come on. Yeah. Wow. That was good.
I put down the bed. And what does she do? Well, I put down my bag and the bed's exploded. She's like, well, I'll sit on this then.
You like your bed, don't you? It's your bed. Yeah. We're not stopping now. No. We're not stopping. No, we're not stopping.
I love you to death. Right, come on then, baby girl. Yeah. No. Come on, darling. On the lead. You are such a clever girl. You really are such a clever girl. Oh, excuse me. Let's go back. Might make a coffee when we get back, actually. That might be nice. Yeah, let's make a coffee.